doing this one next. I'll show you it when it's done, because as I said, I don't have my tripod. Great. I've done this bit, I've cut it out very messy, but that's okay, because it's a breakfast journal. Rolling tape. How do you roll it? No, great. I don't know how you make a funnel, so I'm not going to do it like this. I'm really not creative. Come on. Oh, oops, I taped the bottom. Oh well, now it won't come out. Hey. Nice bit. Gotta get a paper cut on my lip. Done. I'm gonna tape it back in now.